Hey everyone, I'm Lex from Cold Springs RV. So today I'm going to be taking you through the RPod 195. So the first thing that you'll probably notice is that the exterior is actually gray, and that's different because it is RPod's 10th anniversary. If you come along over here, you'll see that the exterior is composed of Asdel composite panels, which is great because you never have to worry about water intrusion. If we come along over here, you have your exterior speakers, which is great if you want to listen to music outside, whether you're eating dinner, hanging with your family. And then another cool feature is that this is actually reflective. So if you're driving late at night, you don't have to worry about anyone not seeing you. And then above me, you have your fully armed awning with your LED lights. So if it's super sunny out, open this up, come out here with your family on a beautiful sunny day. And then if we come over here, you'll see that this antenna is prepped to upgrade to Wi-Fi. And then you have your exterior kitchen. This is optional to remove if you'd prefer to use this space for storage. But again, there's so many places to store things that you really don't have to worry about that. So on a nice sunny day, you can come out here with your family and cook a meal. Here you have your power tongue jack. And then this compartment right here is actually has magnetic catches, which is really nice. And if you look inside, it's really deep. So you can store a lot of things for outside in there if you had like chairs, blankets, whatever you want. And then here's your slide out. This RPod is different because it has a flat back. So it has a fully walkable roof, which you can get on using this handy ladder. Right here, you'll notice that it is pet friendly. So under here, you actually have a pet leash connection. So your pet can hang around outside with you you don't have to worry about it getting away. And then another cool feature is just that you can open it like that. So here's your kitchen. As you can see, you have a lot of space. So if you want to keep a coffee pot up here, you can store snacks up here. There's also an outlet, which is really convenient. And then you have a really deep sink and a high-rise faucet that is movable. And it's not directly on top of the sink, so you have more space to put things in the sink if you needed to. And then over here, you have your 2-burner stovetop. And the cover actually acts as a backsplash. Moving up here, you have your cabinets. So they are, the wood is fully finished. And in most RVs, you'll see that the cabinets will only open this far. What's really cool about RPods is that they open this far. And they're very sturdy, so. And then moving over here, you have your refrigerator and freezer. This is a 2-way refrigerator, and you'll have plenty of space to store all of the food you need to prepare your meals. Moving under here, you have more storage, so you have plenty of space to store everything like your kitchen appliances. If you want to put silverware in here, pots and pans. They're fully extendable. Right here is your convection microwave. So there's no oven in here because you can either use this as a regular microwave or to cook your meals. Moving along this way, you have more cabinets. So again, the wood is fully furnished. They're really deep, they're easy to reach, and they're very sturdy and solid. You have your dinette. And then in your bathroom, actually, you've got storage right here, which is great because that is stretchy. You've got a medicine cabinet with a mirror, so you can use that when you're getting ready for the day and store all your products in there. And then in your shower, if you're tall, you will still fit in here because this goes very high. And then this is actually magnetic. So, and then here's your bed. This is cool because these actually light up, and as you can tell with the lights on, it kind of just adds a better touch to everything. And then right here you have your TV, which does have a swing arm, so you can either watch it from your bed or from the dinette, even from the kitchen if you wanted to, so that's really convenient. And then you have your AC. This is nice because it goes 4 different ways, so when you open these, you have air circulating throughout the whole unit. It'll keep you cooler if you're camping in the warmer months. And then in here you have your storage closet. So as you can see, there's plenty of space in here. These are adjustable, so you can move them if you'd like to. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you just want to check out what art pods we have, check out our website at coldspringsrv.com.